My name is Shamsi Abadura. I came from Dannaba district. So she said, I'm happy seeing you. So you welcome, all you welcome.
Thank you.
She said, my name is Zumara. So she came from Bonaya district.
እሺ ችግር የለም።
ብያቸው ነበር she came from Omonada district, just about 86 kilometers from Jimma. So her name is Habiba. She said I brought just two obstetric fistula cases. Shamsi wagga meeqa fistula wajjin taa'e? She said just I'm living with obstetric fistula about 15 years.
15.
Yeah. And she treated Zumara no wagga meeqa? 4 years obstetric fistula. She lived with obstetric fistula for 1 year and 6 months, and now I'm cured.
Happy for you.
Itti fufi gift yaa ta'u maqaan kee? Tamima. Tamima. She said my name is Tamima Umar. Yoomi si hojjetamu? Yeah. So she lived with obstetric fistula for 8 months, and now I'm afraid and she said yes, I'm cured, and the surgery was done just 2 months with Jelama. It just 21 days. 21 days. That is something. Mushra, she said, my name is Mushra Molla.
Mushra translated to Ahmad directly. Right. Her name is right.
She said, I'm interested just to be same Motherhood ambassador. I have heard from other same Motherhood ambassador. So I'm inspired to be same Motherhood ambassador, and just surgery was just done in Addis Ababa fistula.
Oh, she's come from Addis.
From Addis. Yeah. Her name is Asnabu Mari. Also, the surgery done in Addis Ababa. Yeah.
I am at the yeah. She lived with fistula for 20 years.
Yes, it is. surgery done in Mattu Hamlin fistula just before 21 days. So she lived with obstetric fistula for the past 3 months. Now she is cured. Just this baby has developed your causes.
But it survived.
This pregnancy.
Yeah.
Not the child.
Yeah. Sure.
Those other 3 women accompanied some of these
Okay.
women to
Is it Jara Fidel?
No, yeah. They just arrived. Yeah. Yeah.
የሚታከሙ ናቸው።
አይደለም ደሴ ማዘር ካምፓስ ትሬኒንግ ነው የመጡት በሪሃ ከነቀምት ሆስፒታል ነቀምት ሆስፒታል ከጅማ ሆስፒታል ጋር ጀምሯል።
እሺ
እንትን ብሎ የነ ፕሮፌሰር ሌሎሶ ፓይሌት ሰርጀሪ የተጀምረዋል ነቀምት ሆስፒታል ላይ ጀምሯል።
እሺ እዛ ታከሙ
እዛ ነቀምት ሆስፒታል ነቀምት ያለ እንትን
ስለዚህ ደግሞ
ስማቸው
ምርቲማ
So there are women who got treated in the Kant hospital in Hargeyo for the
They just arrived. Yeah.
يوم يعني she said just she did for the past 10 years and she got a treatment in Nagant hospital. I'm not she's killed. Nagant is just about government hospital, no? It's about 240 kilometers from Jimma. And also Mattu is just about 260 kilometers from Jimma. And Addis Ababa also about 360 kilometers from Jimma. So Jimma is the center for these 3 treatment centers.
When did she get her treatment?
11 months.
So about 10 or 11 months. So she went back home and now invited to come join.
Bakkitu yoom yaadin kee yoomtu lama fudhatu yoom waggaa guuteera torbaanni 18 miti maskaranii moo xurrii moo jaasaa yaadatu ጃንዋሪ ላይ ነው ሰርጀሪ የተሰራላት ነቀምት ሆስፒታል ነው ሰርጀሪ የተሰራላት ናው ሺ ስኪ አቶ
ስንት ጊዜ ኖረች?
ፊስቱላው ጂኒን አማምቶት የቱል ያለ 3 years obstetric fistula she lived 3 years She also treated in Nagant hospital. Physiology